Your first video, no, you see something under the structure of HTML. I mean, my comment. Two person about comment and say any type of comment. Okay. So you see something under the structure of HTML. Uh, if you're under the structure of HTML, no, you can say HTML, no, it beginning with HTML. Oops, what am I typing? Nti first tag no, ɛyɛ wei no, ɛyɛ the opening tag, ɛna wei ɛyɛ the closing tag. Saa ɛna esuaeɛ. Ɛfiri hɔ ɛna yɛkɔɔ the head tag. The head tag, yeah. Ɛfiri head tag no ɛna yɛkɔɔ title. Ɛfiri title no, yɛbaa body ɛwɔ aha. Good. Megye di sɛ owura mfiri the structure of HTML no. Good. But in the first video no, meka kyerɛ wo sɛ ɛno sɛ wodi wei koraa baba ɛto wo tirim. Anaasɛ ɛno sɛ wo-memorise. Ɛsiane sɛ wobɛtumi atype biribi a ɛbɛtumi ayi ne nyinaa de ama wo. First one ɛyɛ the exclamation mark. Nti womia shift na wamia 1 sɛ wouse Windows a. Na wamia enter. Ɔhu sɛ ayi ama wo. Good. Nti sɛ wowɔ wo HTML ɛwɔ ha ɛna ne closing tag no nso so ɛwɔ ha. Wowɔ the head tag ɛwɔ ha. Head no close ɛwɔ ha. Wowɔ body no ɛwɔ ha. Body no ɛsan close wɔ ha. Good. But yɛho new code. Ɛyɛ meter no. Nti wobɛbusa sɛ wei nso so ɛdeɛn na ɛyɛ? Adeɛ a ɛyɛ ne sɛ ɛma wo code no yɛ compatible with small screen. Deɛ mpatwɛw nyina ne sɛ ebia na obi abue wo website na wopɛ sɛ wo-create no ɛwɔ phone so. Ɛbɛtumi ama no adjust akɔ phone so, tablet so, anaasɛ laptop so anaasɛ computer so. Ɔhu sɛ computer use big screen ɛna mobile phone so use small screens. Nti sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ a wo code no ɛbɛtumi ayɛ compatible with saa nneɛma no nyinaa no, ɛno nti na meter no ɛwɔ hanom sei. Abusuafoɔ, yɛate aseɛ. Good. Nti title no yɛbɛsesa no akɔ formatting. Na yɛaba body no mu. Megye di sɛ deɛ ɛkɔ no obiara te aseɛ because yɛdi kan asua biribi wei. Mepatwɛw ɛnnɛ na wo first time a wowɔkye me videos a na woabɔ mmɔden asubscribe ama me na woalike nso so ama me na woakɔhwɛ first video no sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ a wobɛte deɛ ɛyɛ no ase. So let's talk about bold, how to bold a text. So I'll be giving a comment, and mind you, the comment will not appear in the browser. Comments in the browser. Okay, so bold. Right. Then run it near say comments in the browser one say ember. Okay, I'll say empty fee anyhow. Good. So I'll type P, which is paragraph. I believe you know this already. And I'll type happy coding. So Control plus X, and then I'll refresh it. And you can see that this is how it appears, happy coding. Now P and B, all right? So I'll type B here, which is B tag. And I'll type happy coding. Let's see what happens by refreshing the browser. And you can see that it is bold. The text here is bold. So we have achieved what we wanted to have. Okay, good. So now we can also use another tag for it, which is strong. So we type P and we type strong. Okay, strong, and we type happy coding again. Right, and save. Let's go to the browser and refresh. Good, it's bold again. So fair enough. Now let's move on to another guy called Italic. So comment and Italic. Good. So here, it's gonna be I. Okay, we will use I tag for this. So again, I'll type happy coding again for here. So let's go to let's type P and type I. Okay, and we type happy coding coding and save. Wow, we got italic, and let's give it a type another P, and this time we're going to use emphasize. Okay, so the emphasize tag is em. All right, and this is emphasized. Okay, so let's try and see something. Good, and that one is also in italic. So if you want to format your text in italic and use emphasize and I, if you don't want that in B in bold, you can use B and strong. Let's go on to another one, which is mark, mark. So another one, which is mark. So mark. Okay. Here I'll go for P again and mark. Okay. Not seen, so let me just type the full code here. Right. So mark here and I'll type let me go here and type something here. So my name is okay, my name is Beatrice. Yes, I know I'm not Beatrice. Okay. So my name is Beatrice here and I'll save this code and run. You can see that Beatrice is highlighted or is marked. Okay, so that is it. That is the code for mark. All right. Let's move on to say superscript and subscript. Okay, so I'll go for subscript. Here I'll do that. Another tag, and I'll go for subscript. Okay, so here is sub. So what do you think is going to be the tag for subscript? Just comment it. Hmm, just, just waiting. Okay, I'm sure you guys will get it. All right, I'll read your comments later. So I'll go for P again, which is the paragraph tag again. So I'm lazy, so I just like typing it straight. Okay, and this is subscript. So let's say um, log 10s. Okay, I want to type something like log 10. So the 10 will go down to 10 epoch from now be log 10. Okay, so that'll be a base. So what I'll do is go here and type sub to be good. And I'll type here 10. Let's see what happened. Ooh, yes. So I have log 10 here. And you can see that the 10 is down. Okay, I have subscript. I go from all right, log 10. Good. So let's say another one. I just want you to understand it. Okay, so let's have something like 5 base 2. Okay, something like 5 base 2. So we go to sub again and close it. I got 2 here and save. Good. So we have 5 base 2. I think we can see this one. We need a clear chain. Even first one acquire. Good. So that is it. Okay. So now let's move on to superscript. So superscript. If we use sub for this, then what is going to be the tag for superscript? That's going to be sup. Okay, so sup, S-U-P. Use sup for superscript. All right, so let's continue and we go another P and okay, let's make it this time around um, five superscript 2. Okay, so that's going to be 5 raised to the power 2. So that's what we're going to do. So we type 5 and we come here and we give it a sup tag and we type 2 here and we save it. Let's see what happens. Boom. So we have here 5 raised to the power 2. All right, so that is the superscript. All right, let's move on to another one, which is small. All right, small. So to do that, we just comment. Let's do the comment. It doesn't mean that you should be typing the comment when you're doing, but I just want you to understand what we are doing. Okay, so small. Okay, here I'll type. Ooh, all right. So I'm a computer science student. So I'm a computer science student. All right. So those what I've typed here, that I'm a computer science student, and let's run the code and see what happens here. Good. So what if we format it by bringing it to be by making it small. All right. So let's go here into your na yahweh small no so into the P na ya type small no. Okay, small even ni anya na the way you type ya de. Okay. Yes. Now close it small. Aha. Now if you type it, I am a science student. Okay. So let's save this and run and see what happens. Good. So you can see that this one here, the normal one, is bigger than the second one. All right. So guys, uh, this is what we've learned today. We've learned about how to build a test in HTML, how to um, make a test italic using the I and the EM. Okay. And oops, I forgot another one. I think I have another two that we have to still work on. Before that, before. So let's work on del. Okay, so delete. So we work on delete and it's del. All right, for delete. So let's go on to say p. So here I will say by a book. So I want to delete the book. So what I'll do is bring the del here, right? And I'll type book, right? And continue with pen. Let's see what happens. Don't confuse the code. It's simple, okay? Don't confuse yourself with it. So let's run that one and see what happens. Good. So you can see that the pen the book is cancelled, and I have the pen here. Okay, so let me save this. So you can see buy a book, and the book is cancelled and says pen. So let me add something to it to make it meaningful for me. Good. So buy a pen for me. That means that the book is cancelled. Now another one is the insert. Okay, insert. So with the insert, um, go here and Good. So that one is INS. Okay. So P. All right. Type type P, which is the paragraph tag, and we continue saying something like okay, let's go with a by a. So let's bring in the door here, which is the delete here. So buy a book. Okay, so buy a book. And we are going to bring a different tag, which is now going to be ins, which is the insert. So we're inserting another word into the code. So here we say, and let's see what happens when we run the code. So here, good. So you can see that the pen is now underlined here. Okay, good. So that is it for today. So we've learned how to format a test, and we said that formatting a test simply means changing the appearance of the test. And we've learned something on both, which is B. I'm using the B and the strong tag. Italic, which is using the I and the EM. Mark, which is using the mark tag. Subscript using the sub, and then the superscript using the sup. Small using the small tag. Delete using the del, and insert using the ins tag. All right, guys. So this is where we will end this section of this video today. In the next video, we will talk about list. Okay, so we'll learn how to create list in HTML. All right, bye for now. My name is Marichis.